Let's take two measuring tapes that are claimed to be very durable and test which one is stronger. First test, dropping from the roof of the house, and the first one, DeWALT. Next one, Milwaukee. Of course, nothing happens to them. We need to continue. Let's do this pickup test next. Like this. And one more time. And again. And finally for the last time. As you can see, there are no damages on the front side. On the back side there are some damages, but nothing general. Well then, the final test. Let's make a right. What an incredibly stunning view. I could gaze at it forever. Especially this moment. But nothing lasts forever. Look what happened next. Did you mention it? Rewind and watch again. Or let's take a closer look from this angle. Yep, the DeWALT tape measures blade just broke, as did the clip too. But I will continue. I'll attach the tapes to a special loop in the case and see if the same thing happens with the tape from Milwaukee. I made a few more rounds in the car hoping that the Milwaukee would break too, but I was really surprised. The DeWALT tape sustained heavy damage and it's no longer functional, as its tape is broken. The Milwaukee tape also looks worn, but it's still working. So, based on my highly and strictly scientific tests, I found that the Milwaukee STUD is more durable than DeWALT TOUGH. If you like what I'm doing, just press the like button and subscribe, please. But if you can share my video, do it. It will be great for my channel. Thank you again.